Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a call for the law to be amended to bar politicians from running in future elections if they are not compliant with their integrity filings. It comes from Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Munroe. It comes as the Integrity Commission's first annual report for the year 2018-2019 shows politicians are still running afoul of the law. We have more from TVJ's Dashan Hendricks.
The latest Integrity Commission report is out, tabled in the Senate on a Friday. It shows despite public outcry over the last report, some politicians are still not compliant. The report says most filed on time, but there were still shortcomings as pointed out by the Executive Director of Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Munroe.
Majority of those whose reports have been so examined, I think 28, still have further particulars to be supplied. Beyond that as well, Earl, over the years, MPs who have been in breach of the law, remember that these are the lawmakers, have been given a tap on the wrist.
He points to various news articles over the years which supports his argument, like this November 2011 Gleaner article showing MPs were fined but only paying $10,000, and this June 2009 article showing integrity charges dropped against 3 PNP MPs, saying the unacceptable delinquency among PNP and JLP MPs and the inadequate fines don't serve as a deterrent. And so he wants to see changes to the law which will see MPs being barred from running in any election if their integrity filings are not in good standing.
I think that would be appropriate. It would give teeth. It would make MPs and potential MPs recognize that this is not just an administrative procedure. It is a fundamental tool to ensure that public officials are not enriching themselves privately at the public expense in an illicit and illegal way.
He highlights that the current report points out that 2 MPs are now being investigated by the Financial Investigation Unit of the Integrity Commission. Their names were not made public as in a previous report. This has irked Professor Munroe.
Transparency demands that we know who these 2 members are. Previous reports of the old Integrity Commission, you didn't have to guess. In the appendices of each report, you had the names of those who had filed on time, those who were late, those who needed further information to be provided, and those who were referred to the Director of Public Prosecutions. So it is both in the interest of the country and in the interest of the Prime Minister and other MPs that speculation not be run rife and that we be told what the situation is.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.